Similar, pare-pareho lang naman yan, di ba? Una, siyempre, traffic congestion. Tapos yung challenges sa mga converging areas of convergence like bus terminal, make sure na walang insidente, make sure na walang mananakawan, make sure na makakasakay na maayos yung mga mananakay. Essentially, yun lang naman eh. At wala naman kaming na-receive na threats. So more on public order, public safety ang focus ng operations nila. Maraming government agencies na narito and we would like to make sure na integrated yung mga tropa natin. Last year, we developed a standard template at yun ang sinusunod natin.